What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Difference, the Interlude by XXXTentacion. I wanted to start this video off by saying happy holidays to all of you, and thank you so much to everybody who's helped support the channel. I was really excited when X dropped this album because I knew a lot of you guys were going to want me to show you how to play the songs from the album, and I think I figured out almost all of them. So I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos over the next couple of days, hopefully covering this entire album. As always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and once you get done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift I like to give away to everybody who comes to the channel and checks out the videos. It's great for all skill levels, especially for you beginners. So once you get done with the video, check the description below, go get your free ebook. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so for this song you're only using 3 chords. Your first one is going to be B minor, which is going to be your index finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, your ring finger on your 4th fret on your D string, pinky finger on your 4th fret on your G string, your middle finger on your 3rd fret on your B string, and then you're barring the tiny E string with that index finger. If you want to get fancy, you can actually take your pinky off. It gives it kind of that jazzy feel, but either one of those chords will work. Second chord is going to be an A. It's going to be your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, pinky finger on your 2nd fret on your B string. And your final chord is this variation of a G. It's going to be your middle finger on your 3rd fret on your low E, your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B, and then your index finger on your 2nd fret on your E. Now this song is very, I guess, emotional. You can kind of play these chords as long as you're playing them in time with the song and kind of playing them softly. You can strum through them softly. You can kind of pick them. Again, you can and whatever you feel fits with the song, or however you want to play it, or whatever is easiest for you to start, for sure. I suggest kind of starting with just a simple, because they do that little like guitar slap, and if you want to add that in there for some flair, you can. All that is you strum the chord down once and then switch. You're just hitting the guitar to stop the music, and that kind of strums through like that. Again, it's totally up to you however you want to strum through it, or if you want to pick through it. This is a really cool song, and it's open for interpretation, so have at it, try whatever you think sounds best, and have fun. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below, along with any other songs that you guys want me to teach you. Don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.